Hi, I'm Dr. Veena, General Dental Surgeon at ASHIRVAD Dental Clinic, KUDUR, Bangalore South District. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be breaking down everything you get to know about a flawless, healthy smile in just 10 minutes. Let's start with absolute basics. You brush your teeth twice a day, right? But did you know you might be actually damaging your smile every single morning? Here are the 3 common mistakes I see in my dental chair on a daily basis. Mistake number 1. Brushing your teeth too hard. People generally think that brushing too hard will make their teeth clean, but that's a myth. The mistake is you are damaging your enamel on a daily basis.
Okay.
Mistake number 2. Using the wrong toothbrush. Hard bristle toothbrush are a no-go. Always opt for a soft bristle toothbrush to protect those pearly whites. Mistake number 3. Not brushing for long enough. Usually patients brush only for few seconds. Exactly 40 to 45 seconds, but you are supposed to brush for at least 2 minutes. The signs of enamel and plaque. Now let's actually see what's happening in your mouth. Enamel is one of the hardest tissue on our body, and it is a protective layer and the first layer of the tooth. And the enamel is incredibly vulnerable to acid. What you eat, bacteria in your mouth feed on the sugars and produce acid, which stripes off minerals from the enamel that leads to demineralization and usually cavities. That is where plaque comes in. Plaque is a thin layer which forms on the tooth post our eating. If it is not cleaned properly, it turns into tartar, which would require a professional dental cleaning and a lot of bleeding gums due to the accumulated tartar. Let's move on to another segment where I'll be debunking dental myths which we see on a daily basis on the lot of videos. Myth number 1. Activated charcoal whitens your teeth. You would have probably seen this in those viral videos. While charcoal is abrasive and scrubs off its stains, but it actually is far too harsh for using on a daily basis. It slowly scrapes off the protective enamel, thereby exposing the second layer, which is called as dentine. So instead of making your teeth whiter, the teeth become more yellow in color. Myth number 2. Flossing only matters if you have food stuck in your teeth. False. Flossing removes plaque on the places where your toothbrush cannot reach. So if you aren't flossing, you are leaving 40% of your tooth surfaces uncleaned. Myth number 3. If your gums bleed, you should avoid flossing. This is the most common misconception. Bleeding gums are a signs of gum diseases which we called as gingivitis. Bleeding gums means that bacteria are trapped under the gum line. So if you stop flossing, the inflammation will worsen. Keep flossing gently and the bleeding will resolve in a week or 2 as your gums get healthier. So diet and oral health. It's not about what you do with your toothbrush. It's about what you put in your body. We all know sugar causes cavities, but it's actually the frequency and not just quantity. Sipping on a sugary soda, a sweet tea or an energy drink on a several hours constantly bathes your teeth in acid. Instead of snacking on a sugary treat all day, try to enjoy them right after a heavy meal. Your mouth produces more saliva during a meal, which helps wash away the food particles and neutralizes acid. And don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and keep your mouth clean. Taking care of your smile is a daily commitment, but do not do it alone. Regular checkups and professional dental cleaning are the foundation of a healthy, pain-free mouth. To keep healthy teeth and gums, do visit your dentist every 6 months and do get a professional dental cleaning done on a regular basis. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, please hit that like button and share this with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more dental tips. Thank you for watching.